Hi, my name is Mark Terrace with MarineMax Sarasota, and today we're going to preview this all-new 2024 Boston Whaler 240 Vantage. This boat is a do-it-all type of boat, from fishing, cruising, entertaining, beaching, water sports. It does it all. So let's step aboard and we'll have a look. First, start with the powered by this Mercury 300 V8 motor. And you'll notice here in the cockpit, it transforms itself from a day of fishing with your bait well here, and then when you're off to go cruising, just pull out bench seat. Got a utility center, great place to put appetizers or sandwiches. And on this port passenger seat, this will also transform itself into a full day bed. If you're pulling kids on a tube, this is a great place to spot them looking backwards. Or if you want to lounge forward facing. And the nice thing with this is the hardtop. It gives you really good sun protection. Now moving forward, you got your nice helm with a SIMRAD. This will have all your engine data, GPS, depth finder, fish finder. For a 24-foot boat, it's a really nice sized head with full vacuum flush capability. Great storage throughout the boat. And up here in the bow, you've got a filler. This also will turn into a bow table. This boat is also equipped with a windlass anchor. So come down to MarineMax Sarasota for more information on this Boston Whaler 240 Vantage. You won't find a more stable, safe, and smooth ride on the market.